Hi, welcome to Walton Vale Community Shop. I'm Helen, I'm one of the volunteers here, and I'd like to talk to you about slow cooking. It has many advantages, including being more economical, better nutrition and better time efficiency. Stay tuned and I'll go for a recipe with you. Today we're doing baked egg custard in the slow cooker. This is a great way to use eggs that are just before their use-by date. The ingredients are 4 eggs, 50 grams of caster sugar, 600 millilitres of a pint of milk, a few drops of vanilla essence and nutmeg. We start by breaking the eggs into a bowl, give it a mix, add a few drops of vanilla essence or extract, add the sugar, give it a mix. Heat the pint of milk till lukewarm. The reason we don't use hot milk is it will scramble the eggs, so just make sure it's lukewarm. Once the milk is warm, add the egg mixture. Give it a stir. And transfer to the slow cooker. Place in the slow cooker and then take some boiling water and place around the outside of the bowl, not into the mixture but on the outside, to make a bain-marie or a water bath. The reason we use a bain-marie or water bath is so that we don't heat the eggs too hot, otherwise we'll get scrambled egg once again. Sprinkle with nutmeg. Cook for 4 to 6 hours. The best way to check if it's cooked is to put a clean knife in, pull it out. If the knife's clean, the custard's ready.